If you're looking for telescopic tarp poles or tent poles, these are a couple of options. I'm comparing two different styles here. One is from Garden Pro and one is from Hikeman. I'll show you a couple of views of these and compare them to them just to see which is a better option. The Hikeman comes in black and silver, and the Hikeman is aluminum. It's a lightweight option. I bought a set of 4 and I'm comparing them with the Garden Pro. First thing straight away, the Garden Pro is taller by at least 2 feet, and when extended it's bigger because it's got 4 sections as opposed to 3 sections of the Hikeman. When it's collapsed down, the Garden Pro is actually smaller, so a slight bit smaller, like 2 inches, 1 inch smaller. I like the fact that they're both lightweight, they're good construction, they extend out to a large area. You can use them for tarps or holding up skylines for your tents. So you can carry these easily all day. They feel like a good build quality. Height wise, I'm 5'8". The Garden Pro goes up extremely long, about just over 2.5 meters, whereas the Hikeman is 2.2 meters. So there's a little bit of variance there. You're looking at like 50-60 centimeters, half a meter. Have a look at the listing for more information, but this gives you an idea. If you're thinking about these, the Garden Pro is longer, the Hikeman is shorter, so keep that in mind. And when you put a lot of pressure on them, make sure when you lock them you give them a nice twist so they're firmly collapsed. Overall, I'm pleased with both options, and I do enjoy using them when I'm using them for tenting and tarping. So hopefully this helps you if you're thinking about getting these. Are these Hikeman extendable poles any good? I'm going to test them out today. Let's have a look. Here's the Hikeman extendable poles now. These are 230 centimeters. You can lock them in. I've got a set of 4. They come in a nice bag. The bag feels like a strong build quality, and I like the fact that they have the tie out points at the top here. I'll show you a top setup right now so you can see what these are like. Right now I've got the Hikeman extendable poles. I'm going to set up a top with this extendable pole. This would be a freestanding top, and let's have a look at how good this can perform. Is this a good way of setting it up? How to set up a top. So you can see here now the top has been set up nice and taut, and here are the Hikeman poles. They have a nice option here because you can loop them in, and you can see here exactly how that works. It's a windy day today. As long as you have good pegs and you peg them out correctly, this should work well. You can see the top here, just on the here, and then you go further down. And you've got the option there. And this will be set up like this. I'll show you how well it can perform. You can have a bigger top. This is a 3x3 hammock, DD hammock top. Once that's been set up, you can use it for shade, and you'll see it's got a nice big area here, and the poles do very well.